Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share with you my G-Wagon. This is Mercedes G500 W463. Do you know what is this? These are the side pockets on your passenger door and the driver side. And this is very common problem. The tabs get broken and these fall off. With the new ones, it will cost you a lot of money to put these pockets on the door. I'm going to share with you today very inexpensive and very easy fix. It's not going to take much time and I'll walk you through how it's easy. And let me show you what I'm talking about. See, this is the driver side door, and if you see, the pocket is broken off, and if we attach the pocket, and it's going to look like this. Once the tabs are broken, then these pockets fall off and then door looks ugly. What do we call these map pockets or the side pockets? Once these are broken off, they are very hard to put it on because there is no way that you can put it back. If you try to put the glue, it's not going to stay forever. I will show you how I fix mine. You take a look at this moment. This is the door panel. So this is how it's gonna look after the repair. This is the side pocket. I use the binding rivets and now it's really solid. And this is the door panel I have removed from passenger side. How to remove the door panels? Please watch other video. I have posted on my channel. After repairing it, I put 2 screws and it really looks secure. And let me show you on this side. So as you can see, it's right here. One here, one here. So this broken piece, we can repair it now. And if we look it on this side, when factory makes it, they put 1, 2, 3 on this side. And if we look at on this side, 1, 2, and 3. So altogether they put 6 and then 2 big screws on the bottom. Help a plier. This one is broken off. This is the plastic. We just pull this out. See, it's broken. I use a diamond screw, drill through. It's all the way went through, and if I turn around, and as you can see, it's coming out right at the corner. So I'm going to take this screw out, and then I will share with you what things we're going to do to make it fit. I'm going to turn around again. You can use many things. You can make it this hole a little bigger. The reason I'm not using a drill bit because this is the leather. You can rip the leather. So I'm using like with a hand. I'm going to make it a little bigger, like this, as you see. As a DIY, this is a filer. And this side, as you see, it's smaller than getting wider and wider, getting bigger. So I'm going to put it inside like this, and then I'm just going to make a hole bigger. And don't force it too much. You have to do it very gently. Very gently. Keep doing it, keep rotating it. So once we, about this much, look at this. Okay. Now I'm going to get these rivets. We're going to put this rivet on the top, just like this. Press it. It goes all the way down. Now we'll turn around. Another side. And if we look at now, it's right here, the rivet. And this is the screw we're going to put. The problem is on this one, this is the third one. I need a longer rivet. These two are smaller, so I'm going to take this rivet out. So I'm going to pull this rivet out. The kit I have received, these are longer ones, these are the medium, and this is the smaller kind. The screw size is the same for each one of them. So we use these, and now I'm going to use, this is the longer. This one is a little longer if you look at it in the size. So I'm going to use this one, and we'll put this one now, like this. This place and this place is going to be the longer one. All other places going to be the small one. So we have a one here, one here, one here, and one here. That holds in place. But to make it stable and more secure, so I'm going to put some more rivets. So I'm going to turn around. So once we turn around, now we use the longer one. So you can see, this is the longest one I have. I need to get the longer one. And this one is keep spinning on top. Either I will get the longer screw, I'll get the longer screw later on. And now we're going to work on this one. So we're going to break this one open too. This is already broken, as you see from the side. So we're going to drill the same pattern. We're going to drill the hole from top, so that way we know where it's going to be on the other side. So if we look at on the other side, it comes right there. Take the screw out again. Turn around again. So once we make a hole like this, the filer, I'm using it. Slowly, slowly. Don't press it, because this is the plastic and that's gonna break. So once we done this much, and now we're going to use the smaller kind, and we're going to put it in. Actually, tight is good. We can do it like this. See, went in. So now it's firmly pressed in. Now we'll turn it on. It comes on this side. Now we're going to get the screw and we're going to tighten it. Once it's nicely tight, look at this. It's all flush to the body. And if you look at on this side, wow, they're looking so nice. And this is solid. So I'm going to make one hole here and one hole here. And the same thing I'm going to do it on the other side. We don't have to worry about this because this will take a bigger bolt. On this one I need to get a bigger size of screw as I shown to you on the other side. So I'm going to do that. So that way you can do it, the rework yourself, and don't get discouraged. Oh, it's get broken, or kids broke it, or with wear and tear it's get broken. Don't feel deserted. As a DIY, you can make this look nice. So once I'm going to finish it, I will show it to you. It's going to look really nice. I'm almost done. The other holes I did it. So I'm going to put the rivet. Use a hip. If you look at another side, and it comes through here. And if you look at on this side, so now I'm going to put the screws in. One door panel is done. This we need to put the screws in. Look at this. It looks so decent. And it's so solid. It's not going to break anymore. It looks nice. So I'm going to put it back and then I'll show it to you. So this is the passenger side door panel. And the way it works, it's get mounted right here. Door knob. This one is a little tricky. So when we're going to install it, one tip I wanted to share with you regards to the lock. If we're going to lock it, doorknob is not going to come up. Open, close, it's not coming through. So what do you need to do? I'll show you. Right here, put your finger. This is the latch. You lock it with your finger, like you move this. And as you can see, it's right there. So you put your doorknob and you rotate it, and then you pull it up. And once you pull it up, and you see it comes out. So that's only tip you need to watch out. When we're going to put the door panel back, this is what you need to take care of. So now we're going to put the door panel back. First thing we're going to do the electrical connection. So it goes in, then we're going to lock in. Once the switch is locked, we can put our hand inside and we can pull this one out, just like this. And then you turn around like this, and then we're just going to put it on top and just press it. You heard the snap, so it locks in. And now when we're going to put it in, I show you on the top how to take it out. We have to align it first. Then all the tabs, we just need to push it in. So this is a little tricky. That knob comes out, then we can screw it in. And now I have to make sure that I align it all the tabbing, which we're going to push it in. So once the first thing is on the top and right in the middle. So we're going to press it. You just press it hard. That snaps in. You hear the sound. So those, see, you heard each snap. So now it's securely tightened. Screws, we're going to put it on. So once we put the screws, we can tighten the doorknob. And before, if we look at the pockets, they were broken, and now the pocket look really nice. And at the bottom, there are two screws we need to put it on. And this is it. And it looks so beautiful. After repairing the side pocket, it looks really nice. It's nicely done. So our pocket and even the door itself look really nice. I've shown you on the passenger side, and this is the driver side door. The side pockets, or we call like a map pocket, once they break, then it becomes useless. Even the door does not look nicer. I'll make a hole in there and I'll put the rivets on, and then I'll share with you the final results. And you've seen the other one, it's the same process. We're going to do it. I finished putting the rivets right here. These look really nice. It's perfect. We're going to go back on our door panel and we're going to install it. I'll open it and install the door panel in a reverse order. The lock, share a tip with you on other side, how you can do it. If it goes inside, then you can put the knob, then you can pull it. It's not hard at all. It's so easy, and we're going to make sure that we press it in. Tabs. And we're going to press it on the side. Hold it from the side and then press it. So you tighten the doorknob. And now we're going to put the caps back on, and that's how it's easy to fix your side pockets. So if you like this video, like always, like, share and subscribe my channel. So I'll see you soon with another DIY project. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.